So, full time here at TNS 4 Aberystwyth, one with manager Gavin Allen. Gav, disappointing result, but plenty of positives to take forward going for the next games.
Yeah, definitely, mate. We're looking at 70 minutes as 1-1. You know, we're in TNS way, mate. So trying to say to the boys, you know, unfortunately, we've been one of them teams that haven't really kicked the ball in 6 weeks. Training is training, but you know, game fitness is completely different, and it showed for the last 15 minutes. But you know, as I'm saying to the boys, look, we've got 7 games coming up, which is going to be huge for us, and it starts on Tuesday. So we move on quickly. We've changed a couple of boys today. Hopefully, you know, so the boys that we can go to our West and try and get some.
You made 6 changes to starting lineup today. Is that with this busy fixture list in mind?
Yes, definitely, mate. You know, we've got to be clever around it. You know, we've got 3 games in 6 days. Conski next Friday, and then we've got Bala then. You know, there's a lot of games coming up, and you know, the huge for me today was getting 4 or 5 of the boys with some minutes into their game. Some decent performances today, mate, which I'm quite happy with. It's just unfortunately the last 2 goals that we conceded, you know, we look tired.
As you said, there's like those last goals, and Greg Draper again being a thorn in Aberystwyth's side. But overall, we've got to be pleased with the way we've defended. We've been very organised, and the game plan's worked up till 70 minutes really.
Yeah, you know, we've come in. We know it's going to be difficult, mate. You know, we're trying to counter, which you know we scored a goal, big 6'3" Hewitt, and you know, but we've got to learn from it. But there's a lot of positives in today. You know, it's a tough place to come. A lot of clubs are going to come here and lose. But again, you know, I need to see the second goal again. I think we should have done a little bit better on it. But overall, as I keep saying, look, we move on. Some massive games coming up.
And big, as you said, massive game coming up. No bigger than Tuesday. Mid Wales rivalry, bit with West Wales rivalry, live on Scorio, and Have West. Good result for them today, so it's going to be a really good game on Tuesday night.
Yeah, I'm expecting it to be tough. It's never easy, especially in Halford West. But at this moment of time, you know, we've got enough that in that dressing room, and if we play as what we know we can, and if we have the determination that we've got, you know, hopefully that we can match them and hopefully come away with 3 points.